Fivecore Electronics Limited is one of the leading manufacturers of public address systems equipment across the globe. Striving to deliver the highest quality products, best service and customer satisfaction with a vision of developing systems that records and reproduces the enigma of sound in its originality and true flavor. Fivecore Electronics Limited has the distinction of being the largest exporter of electronics goods offering. Spread over an area of 35,000 square yards, Fivecore Electronics Limited has a well-equipped manufacturing facility in Bhiwadi, exporting nearly 1,100 products to more than 56 countries across the globe. Supported by strong leadership, systems and strategy, the company is geared to launch its initial public offer with the aim of gaining a competitive advantage in the market. We have a dedicated and efficient team of 1,000 plus team members working relentlessly for their passion for sound, willingness to innovate and commitment to quality and performance. Fivecore Electronics Limited is indeed a brilliant story of meticulous planning, engineering and execution of world-class practices. A saga of foresightedness, the technical brilliance that lets one experience the science of acoustics.